Hey guys, Tayo here, and Xiaomi just launched a new device in their flagship level called the Xiaomi Mi 11, which has been launched in China but is expected to launch globally on February 11th. So yeah, in this video you'll be getting the price, the specs, and my honest opinions on this device. And stick around to the end to know today's shout out. And if you want to join the shout out, just comment something nice in the comment section below and I'll pick the best comment that I think is the best comment anyways. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Now let's start off with the price. The Xiaomi Mi 11 should cost around $620, but take note this price is got from conversion, so the prices may probably be different when it launches globally. So yeah, I'm just giving you this price to know an idea of what we're dealing with here. The back of the Xiaomi Mi 11 is made up of vegan leather, or basically artificial leather, an aluminium frame, and a display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victors. Speaking of display, it has a 6.81-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, with HDR10 Plus certification, 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1500 nits. Now, as for the display, my only problem with this display is that it is cropped. I don't really like cropped display. So yeah, I would like to know, do you like cropped display or flat display? So comment down the favorite one in the comment section below. It runs on Android 11, which is the latest version of Android, and their MIUI 12.5 skin. Although this is not the best skin out there, it will do the job just fine. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is rocking the Snapdragon 888 chipset, which is the latest Qualcomm chipset with an Adreno 660 GPU coupled with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage for the base model. Although there are other variants like the 8GB 256GB variant and the 12GB 256GB variant, and expect the prices to increase on each model you get. As for the cameras, it has a quad camera setup consisting of a 108MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 5MP macro camera, and it's capable of shooting videos at 8K 30 frames per second max. And it is capable of shooting videos at 4K 60 frames per second or 1080p up to 480 frames per second. Now, as for the front facing camera, it has a 20MP front facing camera that is capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, and we should get maybe an under display camera in Mi 12 or maybe the Mi 13, but we'll see. It also has an optical under-display fingerprint sensor that doubles as an heart rate monitor. Although this feature may not be good as medical equipment or smartwatches that are geared towards for this feature, but it should do the work just fine. And as for today's shout out, a huge thank you to Techranology for the nice comment. And yeah, check out that video I talked about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, a link to the video will be in the iCard above, and let's get right back into the video. And I'll be giving the Xiaomi Mi 11 a 4-star rating on the price to performance ratio, and the added benefit of it giving us a charging brick for free, although it doesn't come with a package. And yeah, I can see people using this device, especially if they have the funds and they are happy with the specs listed in this video. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you loved it and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.